e-commerce Swagger URL. Very nice job. Did you write anywhere? Did you take notes?
When you mean write, you mean the API testing on?
No, take notes like this kind of URL. Did you store anywhere?
Well, we are as a group.
Have you store all the link we provide? Any like a Word documents, Notepad?
Oh, yeah. I did. Yes.
Can you show me that, please?
It's on my phone's notes. Can I show you on that?
Why do you do the phone notes? As you are working in the computer.
I mean, it's on my chat too. I get it from Zahara, so I have it on my messenger chat and on the phone note too.
Got it. So it means you do not organize this setup on the Google Doc or the Notepad or anywhere else, right?
Like on the phone's note. Other than that, no.
Got it. That's not nice, really, because that's not sure you're organized. Okay. So now let's a little bit down. Scroll down a little bit. Okay, stay there. API/API user resend OTP. To execute this test case, to execute this API, what do you have to do?
Could you tell me which one again?
Yeah, /API/user/resend OTP.
You mean the steps, right?
Yes, means you want to test what you have to do.
Well, let's give the email over here, and there will be a OTP sent to our email, and we will take the OTP and put it here and verify it.
Expand that. No, I said the next one. Okay.
The respondent.
Yeah. So what do you have to do?
Hit try it out.
Okay.
Put my email here.
No, I know. Explain me what goes. What is the story behind?
Okay. So
why come to this API?
To verify our OTP. That existing user is using the OTP to verify it.
But that's not the endpoint, say. Endpoint say there's something different. Go up. Endpoint say resend OTP. It doesn't say that.
Okay. So suppose I send an OTP and there's a certain time that the OTP will be there for, and then it will expire. If I need a new OTP, or for some reason I didn't get the OTP, then I need a new one. That's why we use this one.
Correct. Yeah, that's now it makes sense, because so.
Sorry, I'm a bit nervous. Sorry.
No, that's fine. So to execute this API, what is the API is dependent on this?
The email should be registered with the valid credentials, and it should be a valid email.
But I ask you, what other API need to be executed before you come to this API? That's my question. Okay. What other API need to be verified before you execute this API? That's my question. You don't need to get nervous. You just say what you understand. We're not fighting. We're just saying, we're just checking. Checks and balance today.
Okay, for that we will need the sign-in API, sign up API, and yeah, the sign up one.
Who can answer? At least he tried. He's not up, but he's tried. Go ahead. Someone can try.
Verify OTP. Is it?
Sure. You guys can try. I'm not saying.
Before resend OTP, he have to go to the verify OTP.
He has to go to the verify OTP. Anyone else? Hey, if you are wrong, it's still okay, because that's the reason we write. That's the reason you're in the boot camp. You right or wrong, at least you know this, you are wrong, so that you can learn. Anyone else want to try?
Verify user. Verify user. Right?
I don't know. Expand it quickly. Expand that, Rajin. I don't know.
Okay.
Expand the verify user. The top one. A little bit. Go up. Go up. Verify. Yes. Sharmin, that's what you said. That's not the case. Anyone else?
Postman?
Postman is just API.
Is it sign up, user sign up?
All right, thank you. Nobody's answer was correct. So what will be the API, Pratik, before we come here? What are the scenario we have to face? Collapse the recent OTP, please. What is the purpose of the recent OTP? And before we do this, what do we do then? Pranto, what else we have to do here?
The first OTP should be expired, then we get the new OTP.
What happened?
The first OTP should be expired, then we get the resend OTP.
Got it. Okay. Anyone? Okay. Verify OTP then. But in what cases do we do the OTP? It means what scenario we do the OTP, we use the OTP. That's my question is.
To verify it's a valid email.
Got it.
Valid user.
Pratik, can you hear me? Is he correct?
Sorry, I was disconnected. I couldn't hear him.
So to do the resend OTP, what other OTP he has to touch? Resend OTP, the API/API/user/resend OTP. So before execute this at the endpoint, what is the dependency here?
Okay, resend OTP.
Yes.
So he has to type the email and the valid email.
I know, but
he will
what is the dependency? One person said verify OTP is one dependency. Is there any other dependency?
No, I think there is no dependency.
That's it. Okay, that's all I wanted to know. Okay. So Samira, you're right. There is no other dependency for this. So Rajan, go ahead. Resend OTP, how many ways you can test it? Give me the test cases now. Walk me through the test case.
Okay, for positive test cases, it should be user have to use a valid email. No, the first one should be user should be signed up. The second one should be user should be using a valid email. And these are the two for positive. And for negative, it should be user not signed up, user used a wrong email, user used wrong credential, user didn't sign up and trying to sign in. the first OTP hasn't timed out yet.
Okay, at least you tried, not bad. But I don't think the sign up, the precondition is it has to be a registered user. We do not need to go to the sign up. We do not need to go we just need to use when you do the verify OTP, right?
Okay.
With the verify OTP, you are sending the email. So before you do the verify OTP, you need to go to the verify user. So then you can verify if the user is exist.
Correct.
Okay, verify user exists. Okay, now you can use the verify OTP. Verify OTP, you did it, but you did not receive the OTP. Then you have to resend the OTP.
Correct.
Can you scroll down a little bit?
Yes.
Just a little. Change password. Forgot password. I know. No. I think the forgot password and the reset password, that's to the API was actually the dependency. Even Pratik was not able to answer. In what cases we are coming to the verify OTP or the resend OTP? In what scenario? Sign up, forget password, reset password. That's my belief.
Yeah, change password too. Yeah.
No, change password you don't need to. Change password, you are going into the profile. Am I right?
Yes.
So no, you don't. You are already in the profile. You don't need it. Yeah. Of course, here you need it. I'm fine, but I'm saying, forgot password. If you click from the front end, then of course it will send you the OTP. Reset. If you try to do the reset password, you have to. Can you click the reset password? Scroll down. Yeah. So wherever you see the OTP, these are the dependency for the verify OTP, resend OTP.
You got it.
Okay. You tried.